Hello, in this video I'm going to solve this question that asks you to find the orthogonal basis for R4 that has the following vectors. The first thing you do is write down your x1, which is equal to v1. So x1 equals v1. Remember, these are all vectors. 1, 4, -1, and 0. Now you need v2, and v2 would be equal to x2 minus v1 dot x2 over the magnitude of v1 squared times v1. x2 is your second vector given over here. So 1, 0, 1, 2 minus 1, 4, -1, 0 dot 1, 0, 1, 2 over 1 squared plus 4 squared plus -1 squared plus 0 squared. So this is equal to 1, 0, 1, 2 minus, and dot product of those would be 1 times 1 plus 4 times 0 plus -1 times 1 plus 0 times 2 over over 18. And this is all just 0. So your v2 is equal to 1, 0, 1, 2. Now for v3, you do the same thing, but you add on so v3 is equal to x3 minus v1 x3 over v1 magnitude squared times v1 plus v2 x3 over v2 squared v2, and x3, because it's not given in the question, we know that it is 0, 0, 1, 0, and we can also write down x4, 0, 0, 0, and 1. Now x3 we know is 0, 0, 1, 0 minus v1 was 1, 4, -1, 0, and x3 is 0, 0, 1, 0. All of this over the magnitude squared of v1. So this is 18 times v1, which is 1, 4, -1, and 0, plus v2, we found it to be 1, 0, 1, 2 dot 0, 0, 1, 0 over 6, which is the magnitude of v2, and then v2 itself, so 1, 0, 1, 2. This is 0, 0, 1, 0, and then 0 plus 0 minus 1 over 18, and here we have 1, 4, -1, 0 plus 1 over 6 times 1, 0, 1, 2. This is all equal to 0, 0, 1, 0. And then negative 1 over 18, negative 4 over 18, 1 over 18, and 0, plus 1 over 6, 0, 1 over 6, and 2 over 6. You can simplify here or later on. This would be 2, this would be 9, 1, and 3. And you get 0, 0, 1, 0. Plug the remaining into your calculator and you get negative 1 over 18 plus 1 over 6, 1 over 9. And here we had a minus sign, don't forget that. And 2 over 9, and then 2 over 9 again, and 1 over 3. There's an addition over here. And then this is all equal to negative 1 over 9, negative 2 over 9, 7 over 9, and 1 over 3. So this is your V3. Now for V4, you follow the same pattern once again, which is x4 minus x4 dot V1 plus x4 dot V2 plus x4 dot V3 times V3. You repeat the process for V4 and you get negative 8 over 21, 2 over 21, 0, and 4 over 21. So your basis is 1, 4, negative 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 2, negative 1 over 9, 2 over 9, 7 over 9, negative 1 over 3, and negative 8 over 21, 2 over 21, 0, and 4 over 21.